Okay. So let's do some example, then we can finish. Okay. So in that sense, z is equal to, yeah, you can use pi 1 y minus 2x plus pi 2 y plus x. So hereafter you have to write where. So if you don't write, there will be a, you should have, okay, bit, because you are taking, no, so not everyone knows it. Okay. So you have to tell them, I have taken these two as a arbitrary functions. Okay. Okay. In the second question, we have d squared minus 2 d dash plus d dash squared. Okay. Only a small change, isn't it? So it will be m squared minus 2m plus 1, which is equal to 0. So if you solve this one, is like m minus 1 squared, no? M squared minus 2m plus 1. Okay. So my m will be 1, 1. So don't write only 1. Okay. You should have write, if it is squared, you have to write 2 times. So this is we called as a repeated things. Okay. So in that things, okay. Okay, 150. Can you do the other questions? Okay. Now the final answer will be pi 1. I mean y plus x plus, since this is repeating, you have to have one more. So pi 2 y plus x. That's all. Okay. So yeah. So this is a case number 2, repeated one. This is a distinct one. Okay. So what if we have the complex one? That's the next question. Okay. So let me continue. Okay. What if d form, sorry, d dash 4 of z? Okay. If you substitute d is equal to m, so m4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is like, we don't know the fourth power now, so we can write. So we can use this one. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b and a plus b. No? So that equation. So you can write m squared minus 1 and m squared plus 1. So we have make it into quadratic form. Okay. So in this case, you know, m is equal to 1, 1. Okay. Is that correct? Sorry, m is equal to minus 1 plus 1. No? It's like m is equal to 1. So m will be square root of plus or minus square root of 1. This will be plus or minus 1. Okay. So it's that 1, minus 1. Similarly, this one, m squared is equal to, if you take minus 1, this one. So m squared is equal to, m is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. So I told you, so plus square root of minus 1 will be I. Okay. So the our answer will be m is equal to 1, minus 1, I, minus I. Okay. These are the possible complex roots. Okay. So what about the final answer? That is equal to, so I told you, if it is a plus ib, a minus ib, it should have pi 1, a plus ib, sorry, y plus, a plus ib x, something like that, no? So if you use that one, so that is equal to, for the plus 1, I can write pi 1, y plus x. Okay. For the minus 1, I can use the term pi 2 a y minus x. Okay. So I have two terms here. This I can write 3y minus, okay, plus ix. Okay. So you have to put this value. So here we have only the I value. Sometimes you may have like this, 2 plus or minus I. So there you have to put like this. Here you have to put 2 plus I of x. Okay. Here we have only ix now. So I'm not just writing like that. And then y4, we have one more thing. That means minus ix. Okay, so this is the final answer, where you have to tell pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 4 all are arbitrary functions. Okay, that's how you have to finish. Okay, what about the rest of the people? 130, 46, are you available? Can you show your availability? Okay, I'm gonna give you some extra questions for you to try yourselves. Okay, so let's see. So can you try these examples, exercises? Okay, so start from the scratch. Okay, start like what if the question is this one, dabba square set over dabba x dabba y plus 4 times dabba square z over dabba y square equal to 0. Second one, solve. So there are kind of questions can come in this way or maybe this way. Sometimes they may give you in this way. So you don't need to make D details. So they will give in themselves. Okay. What if it is cos 4x? Okay. I think we are not yet study this one. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. No need to write this one for now. Okay. Because I didn't give you that one. Okay. Let's write down as a note. Then you can do. Okay. Note. What if you get okay, leave this one for now. Okay, we can see that later. I will give you some more questions. Okay, so solve this one. Dabba square z over dabba x square. So in your doing, I have given you some working rules, no? 1, 2, 3 like that. So use that rules. Okay, first of all, first one, write the rules name, then do that. Again, rule 2, rule 3, go like what we have studied in our ED as well. Okay, like a order. So it will be memorized for you. Okay. So when you're doing this one, you follow the rules. Okay. Dabba x dabba y. What if this dabba square z over y square is equal to 0? Okay. What if it will get 0 terms? Okay. Third one. So this is the equation, exercise for this. RHS equal to 0. Okay. 0. And then solve dabba cube. So these are second order. Let's do some more orders as well. Dabba cube or dabba x cube minus 3 dabba cube z dabba x square dabba y plus 4 times dabba cube z over dabba y cube is equal to e to the power x plus 2y. Okay, exponential terms. So for example, you know this one, third term. How to solve if you have third one. For example, why this much of late? Are you copying others or what? For example, m3 minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this case, how you solve? So you know quadratic equation have the formula and factorization. How you can solve this one? Any idea? These are school level now. How you can solve this one? So you can put some values now. M is equal to 0, but m is equal to 1, but m is equal to minus 1, but. So you put some value. If you get this LHS equal to 0, so you have that is one of the factor. Okay, then for example, let's say my m is equal to 1 is one of my factor. Then, so m minus 1 times you need to find which is equal to m cube minus m plus 1. No? So to find this one, we can, other one is you can do, long division. Okay, please write down this example first of all. So what do you mean by long division? For example, I will take the other window, okay? Please write down this 3 equation. I will continue. For example, let's say this one is my m3 minus m plus 4 or something, okay? I got, what will be the solutions? If you put 0, no, 1, let's say this will be 2, and minus 1. So if you put minus 1, okay, possible no? Minus 1 plus 2. So 0, okay. So I have found m is equal to minus 1 is one of the root. So if it is minus 1, you have to take this side now, m plus 1, okay, something which is equal to this. So one of the root is m plus 1. I'm going to divide long division this one. So you know these things now, how you can long divide this. So in the m cube, m, you can put m squared. So m squared and m cube. And then plus 3m squared. So like this, sorry, m squared. So then minus m squared minus m plus 2. That's, you can take down all. Since of this one down, so you will get a minus. Okay, I'm just subtracting. Then minus m. So if you multiply this one, minus m squared minus m. So what you'll get? This will be 0. Is that correct? 1. Can you correct me? Minus 1, minus 1. Sorry. Yeah. Plus 1, no? So not possible. So what will be the possible m here? M cube minus m plus 2. Is there anything possible? We put minus 1, minus into minus. So let's say plus. Okay, let's say plus. Then minus 1 plus 2. Okay, now okay. So this will be plus m, no? So if you have, yeah. So minus m squared minus m. Okay. So this will be 2m plus 2, no? So plus 2. Okay. So 2m plus 2. So you have to divide like this. Just a normal division. You are dividing with one factor. Okay. So use this knowledge to get that answer. Okay. For the question number 3. So not this one. I just did one, just a random example. But that question is different. You can use this knowledge, only the knowledge. Okay. So I will give you one more example. Okay. Okay. So fourth one. So these are the homework you can do. Okay. Solve dabba cube, again dabba cube, dabba x cube minus 4 times dabba cube z over dabba x square dabba y plus 4 times dabba cube z over dabba x dabba y square is equal to, I'll write this one RHS 2 sine 3x plus 2y. Okay. So this constant doesn't do anything. You have to consider this one. Okay. Okay, that's all the exercises. You can, I will expecting the answer in next lecture. Okay. So you have to answer me, please. And in the meantime, I will try to send you the notes anyhow. And yeah, we can continue next class. Okay. So now I'll finish my lecture here. Okay. So please write down quickly. So you can go through this this list also, how they have done. Okay, you can read. So what if sin ax plus by? So you can use for the d squared, you can use a squared minus ab minus b squared. So those some of the ideas. Okay, you can go through. Okay, that's all about our lecture. I will finish here. Okay, see you later.